Welcome to the Ultimate Review channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best polisher available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Genesis GS1711 Polisher. Powerful 11 amp motor for extremely long life and trouble-free performance. The 11 amp motor is great for projects involving sanding, polishing and buffing on your RV, boat, car, SUV, or truck. Equipped with electronic variable speed and soft start for industry-leading operator control and adjustment. Soft start prevents jerking when starting the tool, and variable speeds prevents overbuffing that leads to paint/coat damage. Heavy-duty, die-cast aluminum housing for stability and strength. The aluminum housing protects the motor from accidental drops or bumps against work surfaces. Lock-on spindle for extended polishing or sanding usage. Prevent fatigue on larger projects with the lock-on button. Accepts all standard 7-inch sanding and polishing accessories. Why pay more for a brand name when you can get performance for your next DIY project and keep your boat, RV, or auto shining like new with the Genesis 11 amp 7-inch polisher/buffer? Number 4. Worx W's 856L Polisher. High Glows S-Fini SH. The orbital action runs at 3,000 RPM and will leave you cars, trucks, SUVs, boats, and RV looking like you got them professionally detailed. Easy to use. Even though it's powerful and you'll get auto shop quality results, it's surprisingly easy to use. The steering wheel style handle gives you good, even control. Comb ES with extra bonnets. Microfiber polishing, buffing, and application bonnets are all included in this kit, so you'll have everything you need to get started. Solid build quality. Impact-resistant molded ABS plastic protects it against drops and ensures this polisher will still be around for years to come. Cordless mobility. This buffer uses a PowerShare rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about tripping on a cord or the potentially dangerous combination of electricity and a water bucket. Same battery, expandable power. The same battery powers over 75 plus 20V, 40V, and 80V lifestyle, garden, and power tools in the PowerShare family. Number 3. Torx BUF503 Polisher. Safety Support Ridge SSR. The Torx Random Orbital Polisher features a safety support ridge built into the top of the machine's case for increased stability. Other machines often roll over and fall off tables or carts when laid down due to poor design. The Torx features a solid ridge on the back of the machine for increased stability when not in use. Streamlined integration. Torx tools applied a streamlined integration engineering approach to make the Torx accept 3, 5, and 6 backing plates without extensive modifications or voiding of warranties. Detailers can easily switch between 3-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch backing plates for improved versatility. Simply use the included torque wrench to remove and swap backing plates to handle any size job. Precision Power Flex Technology. Electronic control systems increase power smoothly upon startup to reduce wear and tear on the motor and internal components. The built-in Precision Power P2 controller gradually increases power as speed settings increase. This clever adjustment takes only a fraction of a second. It greatly improves the life of the motor and moving components and reduces the likelihood of flinging product off the pad of the machine by managing power fluctuations gradually. Balanced ergonomic design. Bed. Comfort during extended use. Torx engineers designed the Torx to work with the user for enhanced comfort and superior polishing results. The extended comfort front handle grip, tailored body length, and 5 backing plate size maximize leverage and polishing efficiency, and minimize the pressing force needed to polish paint effectively. Number 2. MAXSHINE Polisher. Powerful engine. MAXSHINE 12M Orbit 550 WDA Polisher improved efficiency guarantees more power and torque on any surface. Make your car detailing process easier, more efficient, and achieve the swirl-free, scratch-free, debris-free results at the same time. Advanced system. Soft start with constant speed system and with CNC machine steel counterweight. CNC steel machine counterweight. The high-quality steel material makes this CNC counterweight more solid and durable, not easy to be rusty. Supplied with 3 backing plate. This dual-action polisher was supplied with a 3 backing plate. Speed controller. Constant speed controller with 6 speed settings. Form extension to strengthen the power cord. Anti-fall, anti-toxic. Long distance operation more convenient. Perfect balance. The perfect balance of the components makes polishing comfortable and vibrations-free. This ensures an optimum transfer of power to the surface and makes even hard-to-reach spots accessible and guarantees top polishing results. Adjustable speed dial from 2000 to 6500/min speed range ensures more flexible compound and trustful final polishing. Excellent power cord. Form extension to strengthen the power cord. Anti-fall, anti-drag. Long-distance operation more convenient. Improved speed control system. Adjustable speed dial from 2000 to 6500/min speed range ensures more flexible compound and trustful final polishing. Number 1. Dual Polisher. The DW849X's commanding 12-amp motor delivers 1,250 max watts out and 0,600/035,000 RPM to power through demanding applications, yet the conveniently located 2-finger variable speed trigger allows you to maintain complete control no matter the momentum. The car polisher features powerful 12-amp all-ball bearing construction for long life and performance for the most demanding applications. Electronic module of the variable speed polisher maintains specified speed under load, delivering better finish results. Conveniently located variable speed dial of dual polisher lets users set maximum speed from 0 to 600/3500 RPM for different materials and applications. Variable speed trigger allows user to control speed from 0 to dialed maximum setting. Heat-treated, precision-cut steel gears for smooth operation. Wool injection shields eliminate wool injection, increasing tool life and reducing service cost. Non-mar rubber gear case cover reduces surface imperfections and improves gripping surface. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.